Hello students, welcome to the second video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the exponent concept, coefficient explanation, power, coefficient or index explanation, and coefficient and power explanation. First topic, exponent. If an algebraic expression a into x power n, three alphabets are here, a into x power n. This is an algebraic expression. Here a is called coefficient. Observe this carefully. A is called coefficient. X is base. N is power, index or exponent. Once again, algebraic expression a into x power n. A is a coefficient, x is base, n is power, index or exponent. Example like given here, 12 into y power 6. 12 into y power 6. Here 12 is called coefficient, y is base and variable it is as well. 6 is called power, index or exponent. A number which represent in the superscript at this place, this is called the power or exponent, or another name index. Write 10 examples of your own like this and write down that what is coefficient, what is base and what is exponent there. Next one, coefficient. Suppose 3x is expression. I taken 3x is an expression here. 3 is called coefficient here. 3 is coefficient and x is variable. And the internal meaning of 3x. What is the meaning of 3x? Is x added by 3 times. 3 is the coefficient. That means x is adding by 3 times. That is x plus x plus x. How many x are there? 1, 2, 3. 3x are there. So the resultant is 3 into x. The internal meaning of 5y is y adding by 5 times. Once look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And next one, 6m square is m square is adding by 6 times. 6 times. Once look at here, m square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The meaning of the coefficient is this one. The number is adding by the coefficient number of times. That is 3x 3 times, 5y 5 times, 6m square. M square is 6 times. So example, write down 5 examples like this of your own. Next one, power. Example, y power 4. Here power is 4. Here in this expression power is what? 4. That is superscript. Base is y. The meaning of, internal meaning of power is y power 4 equal to, that is y multiplied by 4 times. In the coefficient place, adding by 3 times, I given that 3x. Here y power 4 is y multiplied by 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When multiplication is there, you should write in the superscript place. Adding is there, you should write down at this place, beside of the variable. That is the coefficient place. Okay, so we can read it as y to the power of 4. Y to the power of 4. Y power 4. Simply we can read it as, so y to the power of 4. Next one, p power 7. That means p multiplied by 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P multiplied by 7 times. We can read it as p to the power of 7. So understand this concept and write down the 5 same examples. Okay students, next, internal meaning of both coefficient and power. So look at here once, 4 into y power 6. 4 into y power 6 is, y power 6 is adding by 4 times. Coefficient I am explaining now. So y power, split the coefficient first, that is y power 6 adding by 4 times, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So internally y power 6 adding by 4 times here. And what is meaning of y power 6? Y multiplied by 6 times. Now splitting the power, we can get 4 times. Look at here once. So y power 6 first one plus next y power 6 second one plus next y power 6 third one plus next y power 6 fourth one. That is the meaning of 4 into y power 6. This is the internal meaning of both coefficient and power. So create 5 own examples like this and do it as a homework. Coming to the next video, I am going to explain about like terms and unlike terms and factors and multiples, addition of expressions. Okay students, listen to the video once again and try to understand. If you are having any doubts, just contact me. Thank you very much students.